Hi everyone, my name is John from Agilit-e, and today I'm going to show you how to install Helm on your local environment. So just so that you know, Helm is a tool for managing and deploying charts, also known as Helm charts, which are packages that contain pre-configured resources for your Kubernetes environment. So let's get started. So just before we install Helm, there is a dependency for macOS, and that is Homebrew. The reason for this is Homebrew is just very easy to when it comes to installing tools like Kubernetes and Helm and other CLI tools out there, and it's just the preferred way moving forward. You can obviously do it manually, but it usually is a bit of a pain to manage, upgrade, or even uninstall later on. So as far as this video tutorial is concerned, you need to have Homebrew running on your environment. So here I have High Sierra running in my VM, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up Terminal. I've already got Homebrew running, and just to confirm that, I can just say brew dash version, and that will give me the version of Homebrew over there. And what we're going to do in order to install Helm is we are going to first update the repo for Homebrew, and then we are going to install kubernetes-helm. So we're going to say brew update and brew install kubernetes-helm. This will take a moment to run, so I'll touch base with you in a short bit. Welcome back everyone. Helm has been installed, and the easiest way to test this is to just go ahead and type Helm version. And there we go, we can see that it's delivered us the client version. It can't connect to any Kubernetes environment, which is fine. We at least know that it is in fact installed. And we're just going to double check that the installation was 100% successful by closing and reopening terminal to ensure that the Helm prefix for the command is still resolved and is working. So that's it for this video tutorial. Until next time, cheers.